Hi there, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is a 2018 Honda Clarity. And the only thing you need is your replacement battery. This takes a 2032. You can get these on Amazon, they're very inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you right there. And you can use a small screwdriver. It's not absolutely mandatory, but it is helpful for me since I don't have long nails. Alright, so first order of business is you want to take this key out. So there's a little switch right there. Pull the switch down, pull your actual key out. At this point, take the key and wedge it right in here. So just wedge, twist. Alright? Now, you're into the guts. There is your key, or there's your battery rather. Now, I think a small screwdriver is beneficial here because you can put it in and just pop it out. It's kind of, there's like a little teeth that keep the battery in, so it's a little tough, but the screwdriver makes it easier. Okay, so take your new battery, go in this side first, push it down, you'll hear a click and see it's underneath all those little tabs there. And then give this a good squeeze, put your key back in, and you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.